Let's learn how to change your username on Facebook. If you are tired of your name on Facebook but don't know how to change it, you don't have to worry anymore. After watching this video, you will know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open Facebook on your phone. When you open Facebook, you will be on the home page, but you don't need to be there. You need to go to the menu page, which you can access by clicking on the menu option located in the bottom right corner of the screen. When you click on it, the menu page will open, and you need to scroll down a bit. When you have scrolled down, you need to click on the Settings and Privacy option. When you click on that option, some more options will appear. Out of all those options, you need to click on the Settings option. When you click on it, a page with many options will open. Out of all those options, you need to click on the Account Center option, which is located at the top of the page. When you click on it, a page with more options will open. On that page, you need to click on the Profiles option, which is located at the top of the page. When you click on it, a page with your Facebook profiles will open, and you need to select the profile whose name you want to change. When you click on that profile, a page with 4 options will open. And out of those 4 options, you need to click on the Username option. When you click on that option, a page will open where you need to type in your new username. If the username is not available, try adding some numbers or an underscore. Once you have typed in the username you want, and it is available, you need to click on the Done option. When you click on that, you have successfully changed your username on Facebook. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.